Reality began to set in. Millions of people in Texas were affected by rolling blackouts. It appears no one at ERCOT had planned for a 100-year blizzard, and energy producing equipment had not been winterized for the conditions we experienced. The rolling blackouts went on for days, and some people had no electricity at all and had to go to shelters or friends and family's houses to survive. When they were able to go home after the power was turned on, they found busted water pipes and the water had been turned off. The affected people were still without a place to live until the repairs were made. Even the birds appeared to be homeless, searching for relief. We were lucky in my little town. We did not lose power at my house, although we did suffer a frozen pool pump housing that will be expensive to repair. This is a small annoyance compared to the suffering of millions of Texans. I hope we can prevent this from ever happening.